For God has not given us the spirit of fear and of power and of love and of sound mind. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And if you're just seeing this channel for the first time, you're just visiting, welcome. Please go down below, hit the subscribe button and turn on your post notification. If you're a returning viewer and you haven't subscribed, guys, please subscribe to this channel and turn on your post notification. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for subscribing. Thank you for always coming back. So guys, I'm just going to be showing you a quick recipe on how to make this delicious shawarma. This is very tasty, fast and simple. So guys, this is my recipe. Yes, your girl's recipe. It wasn't gotten from nowhere. And this shawarma is nothing that you have ever tried before. So guys, you can see shawarma with a twist. I'm just going to show you the ingredients that I'm using for this shawarma. So I'll be using tortillas. This is my special mixture. Mixed vegetables, cabbage, purple cabbage, white cabbage, and carrots, all chopped in there. I'll be using some sausages, roasted chicken. However you want to get your chicken, it's your choice. You can decide to bake it, grill it, roast it, or boil it. But this is roasted and I already bought it. I didn't make this from scratch because it's gonna take my time. Sweet corn, sweet peas, and this is scrambled eggs. So guys, this is what I'll be using for the shawarma. And let's get started. So if you actually want to see how I make that special sauce, I will create another video to show you. So let's get started, guys, without wasting much time. So I'm just gonna transfer this into a bigger bowl because that'll be the bowl where I mix everything for the shawarma. And I'm just gonna quickly take out the skin so I can cut them into little pieces. The only reason I like this process is because this chicken has been grilled, ready to eat. So before now, what I do is that I boil chicken breast, sometimes I bake it and put my seasoning, necessary seasoning, chop them into little pieces, and I use it for shawarma. But since I discovered this, it's easier, faster, and it's better to just do this. I like fast stuff. I don't want to stay in the kitchen the whole time. So yeah, I'm just gonna do this and take out the bones, then chop them. So you can see I'm already cutting the chicken into little pieces, but not too small. You want to be able to feel the taste of the chicken whenever you take a bite and enjoy it. So I'm just going to be adding the chicken to the vegetable by the side. That was why I moved the vegetable into a bigger bowl, so there'll be enough room because I will be pouring everything in this bowl. I'll be adding the sweet corn, the sweet peas, and the scrambled eggs. So now mix it properly. You would really want to mix this properly so you don't have some section without chicken or without vegetables. You just want everything properly mixed. That's some generous amount of chicken in there. Well, actually, I like the feel of the chicken. Whenever I bite on it, I just want to taste the chicken. So what I'm doing here is optional, but I would advise you do it if you want your shawarma to be very creamy. Also, if you want to save some shawarma vegetable for later or you want to store them in your fridge, this is also good. I'm just gonna put some portion in the bowl and keep the rest by the side. And I'll be adding the shawarma mixture to it. So this is the tortillas I'll be using. I got this from Walmart. You can get it from any store close by. Just check the bread section. Also check out for sizes. You don't want to get a small one. You want this size in particular. There's no size reason to it. Just size it with your eyes, guys. And I'll be using 2 for each. Now I'll be adding the shawarma mixture to it. So this is the base. Like I said, if you want it creamy, you just have to follow the steps that I'm showing you on here. So I'll be adding some of this mixture to it. You don't want to add too much, so when it gets into the oven, it doesn't pour out or something, or it's unable to close. You just want to add the appropriate amount. Size it with your eyes whenever you're measuring it. There's no measurement to this. Just size it up, guys. And you see, I'm still going to be adding more. Just add a generous amount. If you really want this to be creamy, you need to add a generous amount of this. I think I've used the word generous too much. So guys, you get what I'm trying to say. Just add the right amount. And now it's time to wrap it up. At this point, you want to be careful. You can see I'm putting everything up together. So if it's too much, you find it really difficult to wrap it at this stage. That's why I said don't put too much. Just put the right size. And it's optional if you want to use the knife, but I use this so it helps me wrap properly. I don't know if there's any way I could explain this, but you just have to watch how I'm wrapping it to get it. So you want to fold both edges. Yep. And that's it. I'm going to show one more so you see how it's properly done. So, like I said, 2. Mind you, I didn't mention this sausage is pre-cooked. I always use pre-cooked sausages because I don't want to use something raw. So guys, you can actually use 1 tortillas if you don't want a big size. So this is for people that want small sizes, or if you want to give it to your kids and you don't want to split it into halves, you can make 1 tortillas each. Or if you want small pieces, you can just make 1 size for yourself instead of using 2 tortillas and having the big portion. But you can also use 1, and then the wrapping process is the same thing. it's way smaller. That's it, guys. So you have a small portion and a big portion. So anyone can actually have this. You don't have to complain that it's too big or it's too small. Do whatever fits you. So when you notice that you're ready to go, probably you have one more to go, you should preheat your oven for 300 degrees, approximately like 10 minutes before you're ready to put this in the oven. Because you don't want to leave your shawarma there for too long. You just need the heat to make the tortillas crispy and make it bind together. Also, you want to switch sides. And when you notice this crispy look, you can see everything properly banded. You want to take it out and you don't want to leave it there for too long so it doesn't burn. You can leave this for like 5 minutes, or when you notice the look, you take it out. And there you have it, guys. This is my final look. You can see it looks so golden brown and it is crispy at the same time. Not too dry, not burnt. You just want to do this with moderation. And now I'm just going to show you how it looks inside. You see the creaminess and all the juice. So guys, leave a comment below if you're gonna try this. Take a picture, tag me, send it to me. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe. Turn on your post notification. Give this video a big thumbs up, share, and all the good stuff. So whatever you want to see on this channel, just leave it below on the comment section, guys. And I will leave you full complete details of this in the description box. So guys, thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye, and see you in my next video.